Ever wondered how to make the most of your small garden space? What if we told you vertical gardening could be your answer? This innovative approach maximizes limited space, and we'll be sharing the top 5 veggies perfect for this method. Ready to discover the top 5 veggies for your vertical garden? Stay tuned! Starting our countdown at number 5, we have cucumbers. Cucumbers are stellar contenders for vertical gardening, as they're straightforward to cultivate and can be trained to climb a trellis or fence. Grow cucumbers up instead of out, and you'll have a fresh, crunchy addition to your salads in no time. Coming in at number 4, we have the versatile tomato. Perfect for vertical gardening, tomatoes love to climb, saving you essential garden space. With adequate sunlight, regular watering, and some sturdy support, your tomatoes will thrive. With the right care, your vertical garden can become a tomato paradise. At number 3, we introduce the prolific pole beans. These gems are a must-have for any vertical garden, offering a high yield with minimal fuss. Their care is straightforward, letting even gardening novices enjoy success. So why not give pole beans a try and enjoy a bountiful harvest in your vertical garden? Claiming the second spot, we have the delightful peas. Ideal for vertical gardening, peas are known for their love of climbing. Their sweet, crisp harvest is a reward for their upward journey. If you love fresh peas, then vertical gardening is definitely for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the versatile and vibrant squash. Its sprawling growth habit is brilliantly managed by vertical gardening, promoting healthier, more productive plants. Grow squash vertically, and you'll be enjoying a colorful and tasty harvest in no time. And there you have it, the top 5 veggies for your vertical garden: cucumbers, tomatoes, pole beans, peas, and squash. Vertical gardening is not just space efficient, but also a fun way to grow these veggies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!